Okay doodles, here we are back out on the Grom. Been a while since I've done a video. Been a bit busy. Work and garage building and everything else. Getting one of my kit cars through its MOT, which we managed eventually. The new catalytic converter, a lot of effort. So I thought I'd have a couple of hours off from building my garage, which is getting there slowly, and come out on the Grom. It is Air Show weekend in Southport, so I'm not sure how busy it's going to be, or which direction we'll end up going in. We'll find out. Got a full tank of juice. A GoPro with 2 bars showing. Which is good. Can't do diddly squat at my mirrors properly. Where do you go to, my lovely, when you're alone in your bed? Tell me the thoughts that surround you. I want to look inside your head. I don't think you really want to look inside my head. I don't think so. New microphone today as well. I have no idea whether it's recording anything at all, what the quality of that recording will be. I normally use one with a USB adapter into the GoPro and then just a standard sort of mic socket, dual pole jobby, so it is an adapter. I've gone straight from microphone to USB this time and cut that joint out the loop, hoping it will cut down on the crackly noises you tend to get eventually with the adapters, but we'll see. Another Lycra cad, lovely. In the sunshine. As soon as I get my garage built, we get the Grom in and do some service work on it. I've got new fork seals to go in. I've got the fork mod kit to go on. 428 chain and sprockets down to a 14 tooth on the front, which will sort of, in theory, change the gear to get it off the line to a kibble. Yeah, may have mentioned this before, I'm a bigger lad, so actually I can't pull rev limiter in fourth. The bike never revs out to it. So with the 14 tooth on, I should pull all the way up to red lines. In theory I won't lose any top speed because I'll gain a few revs and I'll still get off quicker, so kind of hoping it's a win-win-win. Oh, I washed the truck yesterday. I really have decided now that I need to find a hand car wash that doesn't charge the earth to do it for me. Because it's so big, and it's black, and it's so boring to wash. And after I'd washed it, it didn't really look washed. So that'll be on the agenda, finding somewhere to wash the truck. Where shall we go today? It feels like we should find somewhere to have a coffee. Ride out on our broom. Problem is, I've found a couple of little sort of coffee shop, cafe things in the past, and I can never find them again. Because they're usually on my random road tours, where I go down roads I've never been down before. And then I never remember where they were. It wasn't the grass that tickled your ass, it was my little finger. Magic moments. I wish I had a memory for more words to songs. Or would we face copyright issues if I remember more than half a dozen words? Oh look, there's them people on motorbikes without engines. That looks fun. Traffic. I think it might turn out to be a good idea going this way. But what I mean, Harry? Magic no overtakes for me, nowhere near enough power. The bigger bikes are mean. They go too fast and you just escape. Do we want to do car balls? No, I don't think we do. Let's keep going around the bend. See where the mood takes us. Where it should take us to third gear. Oh, don't think I've been that way past the Buffalo. see any soldiers. What the Grom could do with a wash? It's looking a bit grubby. Been living outside under its cover. Bit neglected for a few weeks. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, I tell you what, I picked up a new seat for the Grom. Well, when I say a new seat, I picked up a standard seat for the Grom, another one, and with a view to de-stapling the cover, taking out the foam that does no job at all in supporting a fat lad's buttocks. I'm going to shove some memory foam in and sort of cut it to shape and staple the cover back on and see if it makes it any more comfortable. Hey! 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 Oh no! It bailed on me! I have to laugh at my own jokes, because usually they're not funny. Hello.